Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see a dialogue at a grocery store. So it is very helpful dialogue if you are going for the first time to Germany or you are traveling there for some purpose. Then if you go to the grocery shop or supermarket nowadays, so how to talk to them, or if you need anything, how to inquire about it. So all this thing we'll see here in a very simple way. This is very simple and straightforward dialogue with very simple sentences and simple words. So first we'll see few words related to grocery store, and then we'll proceed towards a dialogue. So grocery shopping is called as Lebensmittel einkaufen. Now Lebensmittel is grocery and einkaufen is shopping. Now, supermarket is called as supermarkt. Okay, it's very much similar to English, supermarkt. Then shopping list, einkaufen Liste, because einkaufen is shopping. Sugar is Zucker, then flour is meal. Jam is marmalade, then honey is Honig. Rice is rice, though the spelling is different, but the pronunciation will be rice only. Then noodle is noodle only. Again, the spelling is different, but the pronunciation is noodle. Then cereal is muesli. Now here you can add more words by yourself. Okay. If you know few words, you can add them in a sentence and make the sentences by yourself. But first we'll see one short dialogue and very simple dialogue. So Kunda meaning customer. Now, if you are a customer, you will ask, Entschuldigen Sie bitte, excuse me please. Entschuldigen Sie bitte meaning, excuse me please. Then, Verkäuferin will say, ja bitte. Verkäuferin meaning saleswoman. She will say, ja bitte, yes please. Then, afterwards, you will say, können Sie mir helfen? You will ask, can you help me? Können Sie mir helfen? So she will say, was suchen Sie then? Meaning, what are you searching for? Then you will say, or you will ask, wo gibt hier then Milch? Meaning, where is the milk? Okay. Now the saleswoman will say, Milch gleich hier vorne links. Meaning, milk, it is just right here in front left. Okay. Now here vorne meaning front and links is left. So it will be like right here at the front left. That's what she is telling you. Und wo finde ich Marmelade? Meaning, where do I find jam? I have taken here a few grocery related words. So with these dialogues, your vocabulary also, it increases. So it is very helpful in day-to-day life conversation. Then she will answer, im dritten Regal, meaning on the third shelf. Dritten Regal, dritten is, it is like third. It is the ordinal number. And Regal is shelf. So it will be on the third shelf. Ich brauche auch Kekse. Now here, Kekse meaning cookies or biscuits. So now again you will say, ich brauche auch Kekse. Suppose you are new to that supermarket. So I also need cookies, you are saying. Then she will say, ich glaube, da hinten rechts. Now, ich glaube, this is one very basic or common phrase you can say. It means I believe. Ich glaube. Ich denke meaning I think. And ich glaube is I feel. So it is like I feel or I believe it's back there on the right. Hinten meaning back and rechts is right. So it is like I believe it's back there on the right. On wo is there yogurt. Yogurt meaning curd, yogurt. So it will be like where is the curd? Im nächsten Gang links, meaning in the next aisle. Gang meaning aisle. So it is like in the next aisle on the left. Okay, gang links. Oben oder unten. Oder is or, meaning top or bottom. Oben oder unten. Top or bottom. In the middle, meaning in the middle. In der Mitte, meaning in the middle. That's what she is telling you. Is Zuka auch fish? Now again you are saying that I am finding fish also. I am also finding fish. Tut mir leid, das weiß ich nicht. That's what she will tell. That is like, I'm sorry. Tut mir leid. Again, it's a phrase. It means I'm sorry. Es tut mir leid, das weiß ich nicht. So, sorry, I'm sorry. I don't have idea or I don't know that. Politely, she is saying. Then you can, then again she will say, fragen Sie doch mal an der Kasse. Meaning, please ask at the counter. Kasse is counter. So I don't know, I'm sorry. Please ask at the counter. So it will be, that thing will be politely said. Okay. Then you will say, ich danke Ihnen. Because she has helped you a lot. So you will say, ich danke Ihnen. Meaning, I am very thankful to you. Nicht zu danken. Okay. That's what she will tell. Nothing to thanks. It is like my job. The feeling is that way. So this is a very small and simple dialogue at a grocery store. So you will add few words by yourself in the sentences and you can talk to them. Even if you do mistakes, that is fine. That is okay. But you should talk in whatever language you are learning. You should talk in that language. Okay. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, share and like. Thank you and bye-bye.